Good morning children, this is Samalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am teaching you the revision of additions. Additions, revision, children. Addition, revision. Children, now we are adding these problems and find the sum also. Sum nothing but also addition only, children. Sum means addition answer, nothing but it is addition only here. Come on, let's add these numbers. First number here. First place already in ones and tens. I am arranging the places. Now I am adding the ones digits. Here 5 after 9 I should add. 5 after I should add the 9. Come on. If I open the 5 after 9, see 5 after 9 I open. 5 after 9 I should count. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when I am adding 5 after 9 children, we are getting the 14 children. So 14 nothing but 4 here. 1 carry on the before place. Now I am adding the tens column here. 1 after 2 I need to add here. 1 after if I add the 2 children. 1 after when I am adding the 2. 1 after 2, 3. So when I am adding 1 and 2, I am getting 3. Again next digit also 3 we have. So 3 after 3 I need to add. 3 after 3 means here 3 I open. 3 here 3. So after 4, 5, 6. So when I am adding the tens column, I am getting the 6 children here. So answer is 64. Coming to this problem here, ones, arranging the places first, tens and hundreds. Now I am adding the ones column here. So now first digit is 4. 4 after I need to open the 5. Next digit is 5. So 4 after when I am opening the 5 here. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 after 5 nothing but 9. 9 after again 4 we have children. So 9 after I need to count the 4 here. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. So when I am adding the ones column I am getting 13 children. Okay. So here 13 nothing but this 3 I am writing here. This 1 I am taking as a carry on the tens. Now I am adding the tens column with carry number. So 1 after here carry is 1. 1 after I need to open the 8 children. Okay. 1 after 8 I need to open here. Sorry. So 1 after I need to add 8 here. See 1 after 8 I open the 8 finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when I am adding 1 after 8, I am getting 9 children. Till here I am getting 9. So 9 after I need to add again 5. So here we have 5. So 9 till here 9. 9 after 5. So 9 after 5 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 I am getting here. So 14 after again I need to add 9. So 14 after 9 here. So 14 after 9 nothing but 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I am getting here 23 children here. So 23 nothing but here 2. In this 23, 3 here and 2 I am getting carry on in the ones place. So in the hundreds place. So here I need to add now hundreds column here. 2 after I need to add 6. So 2 after 6. 2 after 6 nothing but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I am adding 2 and 6 I am getting 8 children. Now here till here 8 I am getting. Next digit is 5. So 8 after 5. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 I am getting here. 13 after again 8. So 13 after 8. 13 after 8 means 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I am getting here 21. So here 21. I am not taking the carry children. Why? Because here we don't have the thousands places. Coming to this problem, here places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now ones column children here. 6 after I need to add 9. So 6 after I am adding 9. Here I open the 9. 6 after 9 nothing but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I am getting here 15. 15 after again I need to add 1. So 16. 15 after next 1 I am adding in 16. So 16 is a 2-digit number no children here. 6 here and 1 carry on the before place. 1 carry on the before place. Now 1 after 5 I need to add. 1 after 5 I need to add. 1 after 5 nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I am getting. Again 6 after I need to add 2. 6 after 2 means 7, 8. So 8 after again 1 I need to add here. So 8 after 1 nothing but 9. So here I am getting 9 in this place. We are not getting the carry children. Now let's add the hundreds column here. 2 after I need to add 3. 2 after 3. 2 after 3 nothing but 3, 4, 5. So 5 I am getting here. Next 5 after, till here 5 we got now. 5 after I need to add again 4. So 5 after 4 means 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am getting 9 here. So I am writing here 9. Here also we are not getting carry, only 1 digit we are getting. And now let's add the thousands column. Now 1 after I need to add 4. So 1 after 4 means 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I am getting. 5 after again I need to add here 6. So 5 after 6 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 5 after 6 when I am adding here 11 I am getting. Here they are getting 2 digits but we don't have the next place now. So 11 as it is we are writing the next way. Arrange in column and add. Here we need to arrange in columns children here. Columns nothing but now vertically we need to arrange the given number. Before arranging, once you write the places on the given number, see here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Coming to this number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 1000 places has given now. So first you arrange thousands places children in solution. Now after writing the places here, first number here you see 1326 and second number I am writing from the ones place here. So every time from second number you need to write the digits from the ones place. It is better children. So ones digit is 2 and tens digit is 2, 100 digit is 4 and 1000 digit is 1. Now here I am adding here. Now 6 plus 2 children. 6 plus 2. So 6 after I need to open 2. So 6 plus 2. 6 after 7, 8. So when I am adding 6 after next to 2 numbers, so 8 I am getting. Now 2 plus 2. Nothing but 2 after again I need to add next to 2 numbers. 2 after 3, 4. Next 3 after I need to add 4. 3 after I need to add 4. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 I am getting here. Okay. Now 1 after I need to add 1. So 1 after next one I am adding means 2 we are getting here. So 2748 is the answer children. Now let's arrange these numbers. Second number here. Let's arrange these numbers in column. Before that, first you write the places of the given number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Come on, write the places children here. Thousand, hundreds, tens. Once we have in the given numbers. Come on, let's arrange that numbers in columns. The first number 3717 and second number I am writing from the ones place children. So 3 in ones, 4 in tens and 5 in hundreds and 2 in thousands. Coming to this problem, 0 in ones, 8 in tens, 6 in hundreds, and 1 in thousands. Now, come on, let's add these numbers here. Come on, ones column here. 7 after 3 I need to add. 7 after 3 nothing but 8, 9, 10. 10 I am getting here. So 0 here I am writing. And the next digit I am taking as a carry on the tens place. Now I am adding the tens column here. 1 after 1 I need to add. 1 after 1 nothing but 2. Okay, 1 after 1 nothing but 2. 2 after again 4 I need to add here. 4 I need to add. Till here 2 children. 2 after 4 means 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I am getting. 6 after again next 8 I need to add here in the given question. So 6 after 8 nothing but 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 I am getting here. 14 I am getting means here 14 is 2 digit number no children. 4 and here 1 carry. Now let's add the hundreds column. 1 after 7 children. 1 after 7 means I am adding 1 after 7. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 I am getting. When I am adding 1 after 7 means 8 I am getting. 8 after again I need to add 5. Okay, 8 after 5 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 I am getting here. Next 13 after, next 6 I need to add here. So 13 after 6 means 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 I am getting. 19 again 2 digit number no children here. 19 2 digit number means 9 I am writing here and 1 I am taking as a carry on the thousands place. Come on, let's add here thousands column here. Now 1 after 3. So 1 after 3 nothing but here 2, 3, 4. 4 I am getting here. 4 after again 2 children. 4 after 2 means 5, 6. 6 after 1. 6 after 1 means 7. So I am getting here 7 as an answer. So total answer will be 7 as an answer. Total answer will be 7,940. Yes, children. Next bit is word problem, children. Here, a vegetable seller and 1,485 rupees on Monday, children. And next, 2,049 rupees on Tuesday and 1,999 on Wednesday. So what you need to find here, how much did he earn on these 3 days? You need to find within these 3 days how much he earned. So on Monday how much he earned? 1,485 rupees. On Tuesday he earned 2,049 rupees and on Wednesday he earned 1,999 rupees. Come on, let's add here to the answer total amount. So a vegetable seller and on Monday. So how much amount he earned on Monday here? 1,485 rupees. Next, he earned, he means seller children, vegetable seller, he earned on Tuesday. He earned on Tuesday. How much he earned on Tuesday here? 2,049. 2,049 rupees. Now he earned on Wednesday. So how much he earned on Wednesday here? 1,999 rupees. So therefore total amount which he earned in 3 days in 3 days, how much amount he earned? Let's add here. Come on. Ones, tens, and hundreds, and thousands. Let's add the ones column first. First 1 is there, 5 is there, children. And next digit is 9. Come on, 5 after I need to add 9. Okay, 5 after 9 nothing but 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 I am getting till here, and 14 after I need to add again 9. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I am getting here 23 children here. So here 23 nothing but this 3 I need to write here and 2 as a carry. Now next 2 after I need to add 8. So 2 after 8 I need to add. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I am adding 2 and 8 I am getting 10 children. Next 10 after I need to add the 4 here. So 10 after 4 nothing but 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 I am getting. Next 14 after I need to add 9 here. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I am getting again here 23 children. So 23 means here 3 again and 2 carry. Now let's add a hundreds column here. Next 2 after again I need to add the 4. So 2 after when I am adding the 4 here. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I am getting. 2 after 4 when I am adding 6 I am getting. So till here 6. 6 plus 0 again 6 children. Okay. So 6 plus 0 nothing but nothing we need to open. So nothing open means here 6 plus 0 is 6 again. And here next digit is 9. So 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 nothing but here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 I am getting children. So 15 means 2 digit number now. So 5 I am writing here and 1 I am taking as a carry, thousands place. So let's add a thousands column here. So 1 after 1. So 1 after 1 nothing but 1 after 1 nothing but 2. Next 2 after next 2. Next 2 means 2 after next 2 means 3, 4. 4 I am getting. So 4 after 1. So 4 after 1 nothing but 5. So here I am getting 5. So how much amount he earned in 3 days? 5,533 rupees children. Thank you.